Hi, my name is Jeffrey. I'm the sales director here at A&M, and today we're going to check out a used boat we just received. This one just got brought in with a truck. That's from a client that bought it last year. She's upgrading to a double decker, so she's putting this one on the used market. We're just helping her sell it. It's sold directly by the owner. We're going to do a little tour, show you guys how the boat is built, and hopefully get you interested in this boat build. This is a BULLDOG 30, so it's 30 foot on deck. 32 LOA. With the engine, you're probably closer to 35 when they're trimmed up. This boat can carry 18 passengers in partially protected waters +2, so plus a captain and a crew. Full TIKI style, and has a lot of different options. And it's powered with twin outboard Suzuki 115 at the back. And it has 50 gallons of fuel. Let's go around and we'll check it out. So obviously we have a brown hull. This is fiberglass. We have synthetic ropes as a rail skirt. I'm using a side gate here to come in. We'll have the TIKI thatch roof. This is also synthetic. It's plastic and fire retardant. The rails are powder coated. We have cup holders on either side of the boat with LED lights underneath them. Perimeter seating inside dock boxes to provide you storage. Cushion on the dock boxes. We have a really large GL audio sound system on this boat, so definitely great for the parties. Also a bar right here with enough space underneath it to have coolers. On this boat we also have an inverter that provides 110 power, so you could also plug in here some appliances if you're going to be making cocktails, or if you're going to have a DJ, they can come and plug in right here. At the stern we have a bathroom. It's an electric toilet. Right now, obviously, it's used for storage when the boat was getting shipped. Another dock box at the back for the inverter and the house battery bank. At the helm, we have obviously our Suzuki engine control right here for the throttle, our power steering control right here. On this side, we'll have our LED light controller. This will allow you to set different colors and theme onto the LED light strips that are underneath your cup holders, as well as inside your speakers. Black water tank gauge. All your switches for your accessories are right here, very easy to access. Engine gauges for the Suzuki outboards. Your head unit for the GL audio sound system. On this side, we'll have access for your shore power switches, and opposite is your inverter controls. And inside the helm, you'll get your VHF and some storage for your captain's belonging. The helm is positioned on a typical step. It's 8 inches high. Like this, you get a good view over your surrounding, over the top of your client's head, and a great view over the stern since you're all the way back. Looking at those Suzuki 115, they have just about 300 hours on them. And on the stern platform, inside this dock box, we have the fuel tank that's 50 gallons. To wrap this up, this is a 30-foot on-deck BULLDOG for 18 passengers. It has all the options and the bells and whistles. We'll have our sound system, bathroom on board, cushions, bar, an inverter, and the twin Suzuki engine. This boat has been used only in fresh water, very lightly used for one season. It's probably less than a year old, and has a TIKI style. Available right now for the 2025 season. If you want to get some more information on it, feel free to reach out directly to me and I'll put you in contact with the owner. Again, you'll find my information in the description below. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you very much and have a good one.